Kason gonna be. What's he doing? Huh? Kason wanna be an Azel Hornet. Mama Didi, he wants to go to Azel school. He said he wants to play football for the Azel Hornets. Kason. Hi, say bye-bye. 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 Yeah. Say bye-bye. That's right. Say bye-bye. Kason, say bye-bye. Bye. Say, blow kisses at Mama Didi. Bye-bye. Oh, you saying bye-bye. Get kiss. Get kiss. No, you can't have the camera. Get kiss.